Telelift is a German supplier of intralogistics solutions with a focus on rail-based material handling technology. MultiCar. The MultiCar enables individual solutions for a wide variety of goods with a weight of up to 40 kilograms. Without media disruptions, goods are transported overhead to production machines or machine operators. The trolleys can be combined with a large number of individual load handling devices and can thus be adapted to customer requirements. In principle, you can choose from 3 options. The rigid load-carrying device is firmly connected to the chassis. It offers maximum payload and is particularly suitable for purely horizontal or vertical transport tasks or for the transport of goods in closed boxes. The gravity-bearing load-carrying device is particularly suitable for suspended transport. The position control is done automatically by a low center of gravity of the transported material. In the case of the controlled load-carrying device, the alignment is actively controlled by an additional drive. Thus, an angle compensation is guaranteed in the case of arc passages, or the load handling device can optionally be actively rotated. Here, particular focus is given to gentle transport in very compact envelope curves. The flexibility of the MultiCar system allows for easy adaptation to existing and new production processes as well as building structures. Its high system availability, reliability and responsiveness minimize replenishment times and stock levels in day-to-day production.